Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, just want to say sorry for the video upload today. I apparently uploaded the wrong video, so it wasn't at all Stock Sunday. It was like crypto analysis. So I'm gonna remake the video right now. So just sorry about that, guys, and it probably won't happen again. It's just unfortunate. Thankfully, if someone in the Discord let me know, I believe if I go back in the chat, I believe it was Kim or something like that. Kim that told me that I uploaded the wrong video. So thank you for that. And yeah, let's just get into it. At the moment, we can see that gold is starting to come up a little bit, only 16 basis points, so nothing too crazy. And we can see that oil is actually coming back up as well, which is nice to see. So let's see if oil stocks are going to keep rallying. I'm only going to talk about a couple of stocks in this video, more about the market, just because there wasn't too many stock requests in that last video. I also didn't tell anybody in the last video, I don't think, to put up any requests at all. But to talk about some stocks that they wanted me to do some analysis on. And right now, I'll just talk about some stocks that I'll have on my eye on this week. Sorry, a little bit tired as well. But we could see that right now King Ross Gold is starting to come down a bit, and we are in this falling wedge right now. And technically, breakout to the upside would be quite nice to see. We could see that it also could come down to the $6.50 level, to even the $6.25 level. I'm going to be looking at maybe picking some up around that area. We could see that the VWAP or sorry, not the VWAP, the momentum waves are starting to curve down a little bit right here. On the 4-hour, we can see that if it does come down a little bit more and maybe form like a nice little trigger wave right here, I would be picking up around this area, $6.50, or a little bit lower than that. If we do make a lower low, a lower low, and we do have a little bit of an anchor wave right here with a nice little green dot, then yeah, I'm going to definitely be opening some positions there. I'm already currently holding King Ross Gold, but they've had some problems like a mining explosion, so that happens in stocks, right? There's a lot of fundamentals and a lot of news that can affect stocks. Not so much on crypto. Crypto is more like news based, and a lot of technical analysis goes into it. And oh, I think I turned my fan on by accident there. Anyways, let's just keep going. We could also take a look at Newmont Mining. Newmont Mining took a big hit this week, bad earning report, but apparently there was only it sold off 7 times harder than what the earnings said. So technically speaking, it's at a pretty big discount at the moment. Not financial advice. I'm probably going to be picking some up, but we'll see where the gold price is headed. I still believe gold is going to be going to the upside. You know, we can see that gold is just trending sideways at the moment, not doing too much. It's getting over 1800 just a little bit during the week, and then kept getting sold off right away. You know, the government's playing it as inflation isn't a problem, and it's nothing to be worried about, but it really is. And by the time that the market does realize this, it's going to be too late, and people are going to rush into scarce assets and inflation hedges. And you know, by that time, that's when the party's probably going to be started, and by the time that retail gets their hands on it, the party's going to be over, right? You want to start selling instead of buying, because at that point it'll probably be overvalued, and you always want to get in before the party starts, right? So that's why I'm buying gold right now at these levels at extreme discounts, in my opinion. Same thing for silver. I think silver is going to be heavily outperforming gold in percentage gain terms, not in dollar value. We could see that gold's obviously like at silver's at $23.83, so it's obviously not going to pass gold in dollar value, but in percentage gain, I think silver can maybe reach the $30 to $40 levels. Some people are even eyeing $50, right, or the all-time high, such as at $49.83. And yeah, we're forming some good support right now at the $21 level. Apparently, you know, it's the most shorted asset in the entire world, and that the reason for it is a lot of people are benefiting from low silver prices, as a lot of technology uses silver, like solar panels, EV cars, not as much EV cars, but like medicine and a whole other variety of things. And it also has the benefit of being a precious metal as well. So not just gold. Gold is mostly just a precious metal, not used as much in manufacturing and technology, just because it's so expensive, right? Your iPhone's not gonna be made out of gold, right? It's gonna have some silver wire in there instead of gold. And yeah, let's just keep going. And the last stock I want to talk about is Suncor right here. Oops, I gotta go a little bit more down. Suncor is a oil company. We could see that they were actually very undervalued. We could see that they were actually taking a little bit of a dip here. We could see that we formed a beautiful cup and handle, if you will, and we actually broke through this resistance right here. We actually blasted right through it, and you know, the price targets from here would be around $40 to $45. If we can even reach those, we could see that $40.69 would be probably a take profit area, as we could reach this previous high, and maybe $45.14 would be another take profit. So we could even set some prices there. Obviously, we're not going to get there overnight. We're going to trend sideways. We're going to consolidate. We're going to reach some different levels, and then take some short-term sell-offs, retest this as support, and eventually come back up. But obviously, a lot of this follows the oil price. I believe the oil price will go well over $100, right? We're gonna reach this in no time, in my opinion. I think inflation is going to rear its ugly head and show everyone how big of a problem it is, and the government won't do anything until it's a crisis, right? If it's a problem, nobody really cares. Nobody really cares until it's a crisis. Once it's a crisis, then it's too late, and then, you know, and by that time, you know, prices have skyrocketed so much, it's a little too late to do anything at that point. That's why you got to protect your investments and hedge properly. Anyways, if you guys want to see more videos like this on Sundays, leave some stocks for me to do some analysis on in the description. And thanks for supporting the channel, guys. You guys have been awesome. We can see that also that the market is making new all-time highs with all that money printing, right? So let's see if we're gonna make new all-time highs this week. On the monthly candles, looks like the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones are a little bit more bullish than before, right? Before it was quite bearish with the DBSI with the 14, now it's a -1, so it appears that the price will be moving up towards the upside now. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching, and sorry about that little bug before, guys. Peace.